day, word of the day, it's the word of the day.
What's the word of the day? Adaptable. What do you think adaptable means? Able to adjust to new conditions. Can you put this word into a sentence? Here are some examples. The chameleon is adaptable, changing colours to match its surroundings. Pet cat is adaptable, she can fall asleep anywhere. Molly's wardrobe is adaptable, with clothes for any occasion. Try and use this word today. You could use it in your writing or during a conversation. Adaptable.
Word of the day, it's the word of the day.